What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 5 tips, 5 tricks, 5 things that I do to save money when going to a ski resort, because skiing and snowboarding is so expensive, and the ski resorts definitely try to take advantage of you when you're on their property, and they try and get every penny they can. So here's a couple tips to save you money so then you can have another ski trip or another day on the mountain. So let's jump into it. But before we do, make sure you guys consider, with the money that you saved from this video, snagging an Evolution sticker. If you're a skier, we have the ski version, we got the normal snowboard version. Throw it on the side of your head and let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse. And with that plug out of the way, now let's jump into it. All right, tip number 1 is buy a season pass if you can. Season passes are an investment in the upfront, so it's gonna be like $500-600 up front, but it will save you so much money in the long run. All the resorts up here in Colorado are like $150 to $200 a day. So if it's $200 a day, it was a $600 pass, you'll need to go 3 times and then you pay that thing off. It was worth it. So don't get caught buying day passes that are so expensive compared to if you bought a season pass, you get more time. I also believe if you get financially invested with a season pass, you end up going more. So truly consider buying a season pass. If you don't know what pass to buy too, Epic or Icon at least, I have a video for you guys right here that kind of breaks down both passes that might help you make that decision before the season starts. Tip number 2 is the carpool. Not only are you saving money on gas, but a lot of these ski resorts have paid for parking, and like that's becoming more and more of a thing. All the free lots are now becoming paid lots. But if you carpool 4 more people, 2 things happen. Some of them have free parking for 4 more people, or you get a discounted parking rate, and you just gotta ask the parking attendant, do you have a carpool discount? And usually it's like half off. So if you're gonna be going to Breck or Keystone, any of these places that have paid parking, carpool, and you're gonna save on your parking. So 4 more people, boom, there you go. Free parking, if not discounted parking. Now, before we jump into tip number 3, come on, this is some good advice. So make sure you guys smash that like button if you're new to this channel. Subscribe to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet. And now, tip number 3. And most people know this, but pack your own lunch. Don't try to buy lunch on the ski resort. It's very expensive. They charge like $16 for a hamburger. That's not even that good too, which is like the other frustrating thing, just spending all this money for not so good food. One of my biggest hacks is go to Subway, get a foot long, eat half of it when you show up for breakfast, eat the other half for your lunch. It's the best way to go. But yeah, pack a lunch, bring a water bottle. Don't be spending the money on the ski resort in their like lodges and everything like that. It does cost a lot more money. Also, I covered Vail's COVID rules and everything for this upcoming season, but if you're not vaccinated, you can't sit inside the lodges this year. If you want to know more information about that, check out this video right here. Tip number 4, inconvenience will cost you so much. Make sure you have all your stuff. Sunblock, your goggles, hats, beanies, gloves, because if you forget anything at the house and you got to go to the ski shop that's on the mountain, they are going to charge you out the wazoo for convenience. The fact that they have it, you really need it, they're going to price gouge you. Like a little tiny bottle of sunblock is going to be $10 when it should be $2. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that you're on point, you have your stuff packed, because if you're going into a ski shop and you're like, I left my gloves, they're going to charge you $60 something for gloves that you can usually get for like $40. Also, just in general, don't do any of your shopping at one of those ski resort like shops, things like that. Go in, check out the stuff you like, and then go and try and find it somewhere cheaper, because the chances are you're more likely going to find gear a lot cheaper not on the resort. Now, before we jump into the final tip, consider snagging some of the warmest merch in the game. The hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of my Evolution merch, guys. Not only will it help you stay warm on the mountain, but it's the warmest merch in the game, and also you look really good. It always comes with a guaranteed compliment if you're rocking the merch. So all of my merch, guys, is linked in the description. And then if you do snag any of it, just tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shouts in my vlogs, which will be coming back soon, because dude, this season is right around the corner. I'm so excited to be snowboarding again. Now, tip number 5 is mainly for people that are traveling or going somewhere. Sleep away from the resort. If you can get lodging or a hotel that's not on the ski resort, that's not ski in, ski out, you will save a lot of money. 15 minutes down the road can be the difference between $100 or $200 a night. It's mind-blowing. If you want to be like saying on the Ski Hill Grill in Breckenridge, you're gonna be paying for that, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to save money with your stays, where you're sleeping, things like that, stay away from the ski resort. The further away you are, the cheaper it's gonna be. All right, guys, that's 5 ways that I save money on the mountain. What are your tips? I know there's other ones out there. Comment those down below. Help other people save money while they're snowboarding. And with that, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I